Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a first impressions and review on this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. This is the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil and I have it in the color brunette. So I have previously done a video on the other e.l.f. brow pencil that they came out, which was only $2, and I will leave that link down below. I did like the pencil. The only thing I did not like is that the tip of this was a lot thicker. So wow, that's almost done. And they came out with this thinner eyebrow pencil a while ago. I don't exactly remember when, but I actually have never been able to find it. And I went into Ulta the other day and found it. So here you can see the difference, I hope. Right here, yep. You can see the difference in the tip sizes. This one is like 3 times as big, and that was my only con, I believe, about that pencil that I didn't like, is that the actual product was really thick, so it make doing your eyebrows precisely a little hard. But you know, you could always clean up things with concealer. So today, I'm sorry the lighting is so bright. I'm in front of my window. I broke my lights, so everything's just so bright, and I'm sorry if I'm looking to the side. I'm looking at my mirror to see myself and make sure I'm in focus and that we are still recording. And ignore my hair, it looks crazy. But what was I saying? Blah blah blah. So yeah, my favorite way to do my eyebrows is with an eyebrow pencil. I did not bring a mirror. How did I expect myself to do my makeup? I'll get one in a minute. My favorite way to do my eyebrows is with a pencil. I just feel like it's the quickest, the easiest. So I figured I'd do a review on this pencil for you guys today. This is the pencil. It does have a spoolie right there. And let's see how much product is actually in this. Not that much. So I paid $5 for this at Ulta. I'm not sure exactly how much it is on e.l.f.'s website. But I can leave that link down below. And yeah, so let's get to the demoing part. Let's just fill these babies in. This eyebrow pencil does come in 6 shades. So if I were to rebuy this pencil, I'd probably rebuy it in deep brown, because right now I have it in brunette. It has a more red undertone, and I like dark brows, dark brows. I feel like if you were to get this in the color that matches your eyebrows better, this would be a really great product, especially for school starting up. It's just something that I think you could, if you just want to put eyebrows on that day, this would literally take you like 2 minutes, because this was so quick for me to do. I don't know how it comes up on camera, if it comes out as red, but in person you can tell that these are not my brow colors. But I think with a little bit of powder I can fix that. But if I had the correct color, this eyebrow pencil would be amazing. I really need to pluck my eyebrows. So I'm gonna do the other eyebrow really quick, and we'll see. these are my eyebrows. I want to see what they look like with some powder over them, so I'm going to do that. So the powder I use all the time for my eyebrows is this BH Cosmetics Flawless Brow Trio, and I just use it in dark, and I'm just going to use the middle shade to add some powder over it and just to see how it layers. Feel like it still looks fine, but I feel like I would like it better if the eyebrow pencil was my color. So I'm just going to do the other one so I don't look so crazy. So my overall review of this eyebrow pencil is that I really like it. I just wish that I had my color, which would be deep brown. Besides that, I don't see anything wrong with this eyebrow pencil. I would compare it to the NYX eyebrow pencil and the Anastasia eyebrow pencil. I've used both of them, and I think they're great. But I prefer to use a cheaper pencil because I do go through them quicker when I am in that phase of life where I'm just using pencils. But I think I will buy my color because I really like it, and for $5 that's an amazing price. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below of what you guys would like to see on my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you would like to see me do more reviews. And don't forget to subscribe so that we get notified whenever I upload a video. And I think that's it. I will see you guys in my next video.